CrazyMikesapps.com with an iPad app video demo for Let's Make a Rhyme. This is more than just a nursery rhyme app. This free iOS universal app allows kids to create their own versions of classic nursery rhymes using lots of stickers, drawing tools, and there's a game included for each nursery rhyme as well. Getting started with this kids nursery rhyme app, we tap on Start and we go into the main screen. We're going to tap on Humpty Dumpty. He is the free nursery rhyme that comes with this free kids games app. In the top middle is a die to access the game. Top right is a paintbrush and palette to start creating your own version of this nursery rhyme. Upper left is a back button. Now we all know the story. After we read it, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the die in the middle. Takes us to the game. Once you get into the game, it's a puzzle. Tap on Humpty Dumpty, he falls apart, and kids need to turn the pieces and move them around using their fine motor skills to complete it. The soldier at the bottom, if you tap on him, he'll put the pieces back just like that. Once the puzzle's together, they can do it again by tapping on it. Now in the store, you can also access the nursery rhyme creator for this nursery rhyme. But we're going to go back to the home page and tap on the palette and paintbrush. You can see all of the other nursery rhymes. We're going to go ahead and title our nursery rhyme the way we want to. We also will have to put in who sat on the wall and who owned the horses. And you can guess what's going to go in there. Crazy Mike, and who owned the horses? Of course, Mrs. Crazy Mike. And then in the top right, there's a goose on a book. That's where you can actually create your own title screen. Tap on there. There's all sorts of colors and stickers and brush thicknesses that you can add. Now once you're done with your title screen, you can tap on the magic wand in the upper left by the back button, and that will save this as the title for this story. And once you do that, we'll go back to the main screen, and at the main screen we have 4 other options to create pictures. We're going to start with the first one, which is Humpty Dumpty. Tap on the camera on the bottom left. I put a picture in there of Crazy Mike. I resized it. You'll use your fingers to do so, and then you can do some more personalization. And you can go through all of the images. I didn't use a picture from my camera roll for the last one, but I did put some rainbow colored wigs on the soldiers, and I did some other stuff to Humpty Dumpty, and you'll see what I'm talking about. You can move everything around, as you can see. If you don't want an item on there, just drag it back to the sticker area and it will fall off the screen. Again, you've got all sorts of colors. Use the magic wand to save, and once we're done, we'll go into the main area. It's saving. In the bottom right, you want to tap on the big magic wand, and that will actually save this to the book on the main page. When you go to the main page, tap on the book, and those are your stories. They are reflected by the title screens or the covers that you created, and then you go through and you see your version of Humpty Dumpty or my version of Humpty Dumpty, my broken head, and you get the idea. Funny images. It's a great way for kids and parents to have fun learning how to spell, being creative, and learning how to work with their fine motor skills. Now we're going to go back to the main area using the back button. We could delete those using the X in the upper right, but here on the bottom right, you tap on that yellow vial and you can purchase the other nursery rhymes through in-app purchase. Tap on the die and you can access all of the games. I did unlock all of the games. This is the Itsy Bitsy Spider game, and this is the Little Miss Muffet game. In this case, you're matching, and there's 3 different difficulty settings for a lot of the games. And again, the Humpty Dumpty puzzle you can play over and over. Now you can see the other nursery rhymes: 3 Blind Mice, Little Miss Muffet, The Cat and the Fiddle, and this little piggy. Upper left, you can turn off the sounds, turn off the arrows, and then you can go back to the main screen, tap on credits, and in credits you can actually find out more information about the developers, which is Short, Bald, and Lanky. Check them out on their social sites, contact them through email, and that's it for this iPad app demo. Until next time, Crazy Mike, saying see ya.